Age-related math problems involve comparing the ages of two or more individuals. The conditions on their ages are presented at different points in time: present, past, or future. These conditions are used as clues to find the current ages. Sonia is 28 years older than Mark. In 8 years, Sonia will be 3 times as old as Mark. How old is Sonia now? So we have two people involved here. Now I intend to make a table so we can easily see the situation easily. Okay, so we have here Sonia and Mark. That's our first column, their names. The next column would be their age now. We don't know how old Sonia is, so we can assign a variable, let's say x. If Sonia is x years old, Mark would be, let's take a look at the first sentence. It says Sonia is 28 years older than Mark, so Mark is younger by 28 years old. So that would give us x minus 28. In 8 years, meaning, we all grow old together. So this means Sonia is x plus 8, and Mark will be x minus 28 plus 8. And we can simplify this. We can combine these two constants here. Negative 28 plus 8 is negative 20. So this is also equal to x minus 20. Now let's try the second sentence again and use this because it says in 8 years, Sonia, who is 8 plus x, will be 3 times as old as Mark. 3 times as old as Mark, who is x minus 20 years old. So using algebra, we can expand this and combine like terms. This gives us 3x minus 3 times negative 20 is negative 60. I'll bring 3x to the left side. That gives us x minus 3x, so this is negative 2x. And on the right side, we have negative 60 minus 8, which is negative 68. I'll divide both sides by negative 2 to isolate x, so x is 34. That means to say Sonia is 34 years old. Now, I want to know how old Mark is. So if Sonia is 34 minus 28, that's Mark's age. Mark is 34 minus 28 is 6. Is that right? 28 plus 6, 34. Okay, Mark is 6 years old. The reason why I want to know how old Mark is, though the question is how old Sonia is, that's the answer, okay, because I want to check if our answer is correct. Okay, let's check it right here. Now Sonia is 34. That's Sonia's age. And Mark is 6. In 8 years, meaning plus 8, Sonia is 42. And Mark is 14. It says at this time, after 8 years, Sonia, who is 42, will be 3 times as old as Mark, 14. So 3 times 14 is 42. That's correct, meaning our answer, Sonia is 34 years old, is correct. Here's another one. Brian is 4 years younger than Haru. 10 years ago, Haru's age was 13 years more than half the age of Brian. How old are they now? So again, let's make a table. So we have two people involved here, Brian and Haru. Let's make a column for their age now. We don't know how old Brian is, but we know the relationship between his age and Haru's. Okay, so let's say Brian is X years old. Brian is 4 years younger than Haru, meaning Haru is older by 4 years old. So Haru is X plus 4. Is that right? Let's review one more time. Brian is 4 years younger than Haru. Okay, I think that's correct. 10 years ago, meaning 10 years. Let me write that again. 10 years ago, Brian is X minus 10. And Haru's age, and Haru was X plus 4 minus 10. So to simplify, 4 minus 10 is negative 6. So this is also equal to X minus 6. Okay, so let's make an equation using this second sentence, meaning we have to consider these ages. Okay, Haru's age was 13 years more than half the age of Brian. Haru's age is X minus 6 was 13 years more than, so meaning 13 plus, than half the age of Brian. At this time, Brian is X minus 10, so that's X minus 10 divided by 2. So this is our equation. All right, so how do we simplify this? I can make this expression like 26 plus X minus 10 over 2. Because 26 over 2 is 13, X over 2 is X over 2, negative 10 over 2 is negative 10 over 2. So I'm not changing any values. I'm just changing this in terms of a denominator equal to 2. Okay, so this retains as is X minus 6. I want to get rid of this denominator here by multiplying everything by 2. So this is 2 times X minus 6. And if I multiply this entire thing by 2, this cancels out. So that's 26 plus X minus 10. Expand this is 2X minus 12. And this is 26 minus 10 is 16 plus X. If I combine terms like 2X minus X, that would give me X on the left side. I'll bring negative 12 to the right side, which makes it positive. So 16 plus 12 is 28. So that means Brian is 28 years old now. So if Brian is 28 years old now, Haru is plus 4. So 28 plus 4 is 32. Okay, so those are our answers. Now to check, as I've said, it's always good to check. All right, just to see if we satisfy the clues given here. So now Brian is 28. That's Brian. And Haru is 32. Sorry about my spelling there, Brian. 32. Okay. And 10 years ago, meaning minus 10. Okay. Brian is 28 minus 10 is 18. That's Brian. And Haru is 22. Okay. Haru's age is 22. And his age is 13 more than half of the age of Brian. So half of 18 is 9. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 plus 13 is 22. So that makes our answers correct. Ken is 12 years younger than Justin. 8 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 76. How old are they now? You may want to pause this video and try it on your own. Again, we have two people involved here, so I'll just write the names Ken and Justin. Okay, I want to try another color here. So we have two people, Ken, Justin. What are the clues? Let's write them here. Now, we don't know how old they are, but there's a clue here. It says Ken is 12 years younger than Justin. If we assign a variable for Ken's age, X, okay, Justin will be, since Ken is 12 years younger than Justin, Justin is older, right? So that means to say Justin is X plus 12. Okay? Now, 8 years from now. 8 years from now. How old are they? Ken will be X plus 8. And Justin will be X plus 12 plus 8. Which is also equal to, simplify, combine the constants, X plus 20. Let's apply this clue. The sum of their ages will be 76. Consider their ages 8 years from now. So X plus 8, Ken's age, plus Justin's age, X plus 20, will be equal to 76. Combine like terms. X plus X is 2X. 20 plus 8 is positive 20. I would like to bring that to the other side of the equation, which gives us 76 minus 28. So 2X is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. Divide both sides by 2. That means Ken's age is 24. So let's write our answer. Ken is 24 years old now, and Justin is X plus 12. 24 plus 12 is 36. Okay? Again, let's check just to make sure. Okay. So Ken is 24. That's Ken. And Justin is 36. Eight years from now, so plus 8, Ken is 32. And Justin is 44. Is that right? Plus 8, 44. This is Justin. And it says their age will be 76. Let's see. Is this 76? Yes, 32 plus 44 is 76. So, yeah, it satisfies all the conditions. So our answer is correct.